For every form there must be a light. What you're seeing is the light that's manifesting. That light to be existing is coming from an ocean of energy. The guides of light, they have reached a state in which their light and their soul governs their reality. And that light begins to interact with our being. And you begin to sense that energy. It's enough if they carry from one atom, the conveyance of energy from their atomic reality, from their light reality completely dresses that atom. You will experience an energy and a light that opens within the heart, and that is faith. As they begin to dress us and bless us, they begin to teach us, think from the world of light. You have a tremendous reality and a tremendous gift, but you're so stuck on your physical understanding. Destroy your form, annihilate your form. As much as you annihilate your form, you begin to reach your atomic reality. The light we're talking about is the Muhammadan light. As much as you annihilate yourself out of the way, as much as the Muhammadan reality can begin to move in. When you begin to sense that in your soul, you may begin to sense Prophet ﷺ, feel Prophet ﷺ, smell Prophet ﷺ, and begin to see Prophet.